Hey guys, we're going to level X and you're coming along too. Let's POV this shit. While heading to level X, we got abducted by aliens. They fed us, which was good. Nice UFO burgers. Josh's. Bye-bye. Did have to tap out halfway through though. Was a bit much, but it's actually gorgeous. Arrived finally at level X. Flashing lights everywhere. Gotta love it. What are we gonna go on first then, guys? Oh, do we do the slam dunk all starter? Okay, time to basketball game. Okay, time for Josh P022's turn. Time moments. And he's in.
2 points. 3 points. 3 points. 2 points.
Go, keep going, keep going, keep going. And that's me, the winner, guys. I'm better than you. Get wrecked, nerd.
Blu-ray.
Does that hurt the weight?
Nothing's rigged, it's just I'm better. Yay, I win.
Add your name.
Overall, I say they got a lot of weird stuff here, so it's quite cool. Quite empty, thankfully. We're giving it a go the best we can. Here we go now with strength tests.
Brooke is going to try to win a Minecraft edit.
And here we have Mask Man, or Josh P022, back at it again. Explain the game to us, Josh P.
I do not know. I clicked it and it comes to throw ball.
Aim is not your strong suit. Hence the reason I beat you at basketball.
I like the one shot I didn't mean I got in.
But at the same time, it's like, oh shit. Okay, Maskman, back at it. Mr. Josh. Let's go. Okay, you definitely beat me on strength. Let's get ready to race. Racer ready?
Right behind you.
Things got a bit crazy there, but who won? This guy. Let's not. You flipped me in the second.
That's because you flipped me.
Always the excuses. Nobody can accept the winners. Okay, guys, we're gonna just enjoy the rest of our day here. Thanks for joining us with the video.